Virtual fun art. Web3.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to introduce you to Startale App. So simply put, the Startale App is a Web3 super app, and you can think of this as like a digital hub or an all-in-one gateway for a new blockchain network called Soneium. So Soneium is actually built in partnership with Sony Corporation, and yeah, it's a very exciting chain. It's been around for probably no longer than 2 years. And yeah, I'm actively doing things on Soneium every day. So yeah, the Startale app is very good at combining a lot of things that Soneium are doing. So yeah, what can you do on this app? There's actually quite a few different things. You could play mini apps, and it has a built-in library of quick games like arcades, sort of games, and mini RPGs. And you can play directly via this app without having to leave. So usually a lot of sort of Web3 or crypto games, you have to go to, individual websites and log in. But this actually has all the games in one place, which are on the Soneium network. And yeah, if you know anything about NFTs, Cool Cats have their own little mini app game on here as well. Yeah, there's quite a few. So the ones I like in particular are, let's have a look. I think there's World of Trinity. Yeah, here I like World of Trinity. I play that quite often. And yeah, this is quite good as well. Morning Moon Pocket, which is like a farming type game. Yeah, I recommend you explore these games. And yeah, some of them you can sort of earn crypto as well from it. It's like play to earn type games. Yeah, the other things you could do on here as well is earn rewards. So you can deposit a certain amount of crypto in here and you can get an interest on it. So here you can actually gain 5%. So here you see that it's USDSC, which is a stable coin, it's Soneium's own stable coin. And to get that, you can simply just convert your Ethereum to USDC. Yeah, it's the the USDSC is a bit like USDC stablecoin. It's just like pegged to the dollar. So once you converted it to that, then you can actually deposit into this depository here, or you can actually earn star points. So if you deposit into this one, you can actually gain the star points depending on how much you've stored in the vault. If you go here into the home page, you can gain potential future rewards. So that's what the star points are for. So I've gained about 700 at the moment. So yeah, I've been using this app for quite a few months and been signing in every day, just trying to farm these points really. Because if you know anything about Soneium, then yeah, you can assume there'll be a token generation event, or also known as an airdrop in the future. And because Startale, is one of their main apps, yeah, it's worth making sure you get the Startale points. Yeah, and yeah, every month they have certain missions you can achieve by, just like on this is playing certain games to get some Startale points. Yeah, the reason why they like you to deposit some money is because you provide liquidity to the system. So yeah, by you sort of depositing some money and holding it in there, just see it as a bank account really, that you hold money in there and gain interest. They benefit from that as well, and so do you because you gain interest. So yeah, it's pretty good. Also, you'll notice that there's no confusing crypto stuff on this website, because you can actually log in through something called account abstraction wallet, where you can sign in via something like Google, and you have your own sort of dedicated wallet in here. You can also link your MetaMask wallet to Startale, and you can you can bring over funds from your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Rabi wallet, to this app to fund it, or even send money from a platform like Coinbase, I guess. When you actually play the games, it does use the wallet of this app, so it keeps it's quite good actually, because it will keep your MetaMask wallet safe, because some people are a bit cautious about what they connect their MetaMask to. So yeah, that means you're playing games just off the wallet within the Startale app. Yeah, so I think it's a good app. I'm using it a lot. I think you're gonna see a lot more from Startale in the future. They've only just sort of got started, and at first they didn't even have all these mini games on here. Yeah, and my vision for Startale and Soneium is, they're gonna be one of the leaders for Web3 gaming and stuff in the future. That's what I believe, and possibly combining the blockchain technology with maybe game consoles in the future and their other products. Yeah, if you're interested in exploring it, please visit the my description for the links so you can get on here. Yeah, that's all I have to say about it at the moment. I'll give you some updates the more I learn about this in the future. Okay, see ya.
Subscribe to keep up with the latest crypto projects and trends.